Congratulations, you are at the end of this course. And now you're ready to start your online business or to boost your existing online business. Just very simple. You use Facebook and the tools that I explained to you before that are almost cheap or of no cost, so they can increase the number of subscribers for your newsletter, for your promotions. So you have everything. You know how to create content now. You can create posts, how you can create Facebook fan pages, and how to post fresh content for your subscribers, for your customers, for your fans, so that you can increase your popularity on the internet and on Facebook. Promote new products, which are your products or products of other people, using affiliate marketing. So you know all the marketplaces, how to create all the accounts in all these marketplaces, and how to get the links as an affiliate and promote on Facebook, and how to increase your list for your email marketing campaign. And you start promoting on the internet using these powerful tools. It's only now up to you how to organize this. You have enough information. A very simple business. Facebook pages, Facebook groups, autoresponder, email marketing, collect a lot of emails targeted into your niche. Just you subscribe to all the groups and see all the pages in your niche and get information about their subscribers. Create content the way I suggest to you. Use images the way that I told you, and you are on the right way to make a sustainable business on Facebook. If you want to learn more about how to build a business on the internet beyond Facebook, just follow me in other courses about email marketing, skyrocket your business, and create a sustainable business on the internet. Okay, I'm here for you. Just send me an email if you need, or post any discussion in the members area, and I'm here for you to your success.